Good evening, folks. We're live at 10:29 p.m. And we are, I'm going to catch this on the way up, battling for Brandon Frederick's Blue Snags. Copy the list there. Take a look at what we're playing for. Somewhere. There he is. Blue Snag-a-puss there. Paste the list in there. There they are, 1 through 75. Gonna roll the dice, gotta get at least a 5. We got a 6. So we're good to play. Good luck, everybody, as we get right to it. Troy in the top spot for round 1. Matt round 2. Matt round 3. Alex round 4. Matt Johnson in the top spot for our next to last round. Which brings us to our final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we have it. And our winner is Matthew Sorrentino, in at number 52. Congratulations, Matthew. Here's the verification code and official results. IABEXI. Matt Sorrentino, number 52 is the champ. Done at 10:31 p.m. on a Thursday night. There it is. Again, here's the official results and our winner. Congratulations. We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks.